What if I told you that 3 simple exercises could keep your body young, rebuild your strength, protect your joints, and reverse age-related muscle loss, even after 40? And the best part? You don't need a gym, heavy equipment, or hours of training. Today, we're breaking down the 3 movements your body cannot afford to ignore: push-ups, squats, and pull-ups. These aren't regular exercises. They're longevity exercises backed by science and used by athletes, military trainers, and physical therapists. Welcome to Pulse Theory 360, where we combine fitness plus science plus biohacking to help you build your strongest body. Let's begin. Why these 3 exercises matter after 40. After age 40, your body naturally loses muscle mass, balance, bone density, mobility, grip strength. This is why you feel stiffness, back pain, slower metabolism, and lower energy. But research shows that 3 functional movements, pushing, squatting, and pulling, can slow down or even reverse this decline. These exercises activate over 70% of your muscles, boost testosterone naturally, support healthy joints, improve posture, and increase your metabolic rate. And when done correctly, they turn your body into a powerful, stable, injury-resistant machine. Push-ups, the upper body youth booster. Why push-ups are essential after 40. Push-ups train your chest, shoulders, triceps, and most importantly, your core. When your core weakens with age, your posture collapses, your lower back hurts, and your shoulders get stiff. Push-ups fix all of that. Science insight. Studies show push-ups activate the upper body as effectively as heavy bench presses, making them the best zero-equipment strength exercise. They also increase heart rate, improve blood circulation, and boost metabolism. How to perform push-ups correctly. Create a straight line from head to heels, hands under shoulders. Lower slowly while inhaling. Push up while exhaling through the mouth. Keep your core tight the entire time. Start with 3 sets of 10. If too easy, try decline push-ups, diamond push-ups, or explosive push-ups. If too hard, do knee push-ups or wall push-ups. Biohacking. Tip. Do push-ups first thing in the morning. Your cortisol is naturally higher, which improves strength and neuromuscular activation. Squats, the longevity and metabolism engine. Why squats are critical for aging muscles. Squats train the largest muscles in your body: quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, core. These muscle groups control how you walk, lift, climb stairs, and stand. When they weaken, your joints take the damage. Squats restore balance, hip mobility, knee stability, bone density, scientifically proven. Lower body strength, and because squats activate huge muscles, they burn more calories and improve insulin sensitivity, essential after 40. How to perform squats correctly. Feet shoulder width apart. Sit back like you're sitting into a chair. Keep your chest lifted. Knees in line with your toes. Press through your heels to stand up. 3 sets of 10 to 15 is perfect. If you feel knee discomfort, reduce depth. Control is more important than going too low. Biohacking tip. Try tempo squats. 3 seconds down, 1 second hold, 1 second up. This increases muscle fiber activation by up to 40%. Pull-ups, the strength and longevity secret. Why pull-ups are powerful after 40. Pull-ups target your back, arms, shoulders, core, grip strength. Grip strength is scientifically linked to longer life expectancy, better mobility, and lower injury risk. Pull-ups also help fix rounded shoulders, improve posture, and create that wider back plus slimmer waist look. How to do pull-ups correctly. Grab the bar slightly wider than shoulders. Hang with straight arms. Pull by engaging your shoulder blades first. Lower slowly. Control is everything. Aim for 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps. If these are too hard, start with passive hangs for 1 minute. Assisted pull-ups. Negative pull-ups, lowering slowly. Biohacking. Do eccentric pull-ups. Slow lowering. This builds strength 3 times faster according to muscle physiology research. Daily 10-minute routine. Here's a simple routine you can follow daily. Push-ups, 10 to 15. Squats, 10 to 15. Pull-up or hang, 30 to 45 seconds. Repeat 3 rounds. Takes only 10 minutes but upgrades your strength, posture, metabolism, and confidence. Aging isn't about getting weaker. It's about losing the muscles you don't train. These 3 movements are the foundation of a strong, youthful, injury-resistant body. Start today, stay consistent, and your body will thank you for decades. If you want more science-backed workouts and longevity hacks, subscribe to Pulse Theory 360, and let's build the healthiest version of you.